Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at some amazing UX UI tools, resources, and even AI tools. After testing, I can say are super useful and can actually be a part of your design workflow. The first one is a major update to Jitter, and I'm sure you guys have used Jitter before. It's called Image to Video Converter. It analyzes your photo, image, screen, illustration, icon, and instantly converts it into these really cool, smooth animations. Still in beta, so it's not absolutely perfect yet, but it's always good to get in on these things early and test them out. The next one is a $1,500 challenge. Yes, you can win $1,500 with this State Machine Challenge by Lottie Files. I'm sure you already know about state machines. If you don't, there is a video link I will give in the description where I explain what state machines is and how you can use it. You'll have to create something interactive, something unique that can be used for websites, apps, etc. Just make sure that you submit before February 27th. That is the deadline for this challenge. Go ahead, try this out. Try this new State Machines by Lottie Files out, which is incredible. The next one's called Pencil.dev, and this is like the AI tool that every designer wants. It's a dream canvas where essentially what you're doing is you're creating multiple iterations for different kinds of ideas that you have. So if you have one idea and you want to check out what kind of iterations that can be created for that idea, this instantly does this on like this live canvas. Crazy is that this integrates into your current IDEs. So you might be using Cursor, you might be using VS Code, Claude Code, OpenAI Codex. Any one of them, you can literally integrate this into any of your favorite tool. It reminds me a lot of Figma as well, since a lot of this is editable and you can take quick actions on each design that is generated. They also have this hands-on feature. Literally, you can ask it to create these little bots that move around like almost real humans. These bots will help you side by side. So you can command them to do a certain task, giving you a lot of freedom at the same time. At the end, you can launch this as an actual website, get the entire code. And yes, there is design system support. So if you already have a design system, and you can bring it here. And yes, there is a Figma to Pencil copy paste. So if you already have designs in Figma you want to iterate on, you can just copy from Figma and paste it into Pencil. Okay, this next one is a multimodal canvas, and they're calling it a cursor for canvas. It's called Melina Studio to put up a bunch of shapes, and you ask Melina to create, say, a flow chart. This is great for designing flow charts, making architecture maps, user flows, anything that requires, say, a flow chart or like diagramming. This tool is there for you. This reminds me a lot of Figma's FigJam, but has a lot of its unique capabilities. You have an AI chatbot on the side, and on the other side, you are quickly being shown these flowcharts. It's as if you are discussing something with this AI, and it's instantly converting that discussion, the data it's grabbing from that discussion, etc., into this nice little flowchart format. And yes, you have a free canvas-like experience where you can create your own arrows, lines, shapes, add colors, etc. All that good stuff is already included, so you're not restricted to what the AI is doing. All right, so this next one is called Lunair. I'm sure you've seen those unique videos with illustrations, with product demos, and even mockups. This is a website that will help you create those unique videos. It creates this unique storyboard-like experience. So if you say have an idea for like a launch video for your product, let's just say, or for your app, you can literally put it into their AI chatbot and it will create this unique storyboard which you can select from. You can change the graphics anytime. So if you think, oh, this person should be a woman or a man or a child, it will convert that design into that kind of illustration. It creates these unique animations and also lets you add an AI voice in case you don't want to give your own voice. The next one is for people who love design systems. All designers need to love design systems. This one is called designsystemsrepo.ai. And this is a design system library for your AI needs. So if you're designing an AI product, which most of you will have to at some point of time, these are curated design systems with actual documentation, etc., AI tools, as well as job openings for AI projects, all in one place. Whether it's a Figma UI kit, documentation, related docs, code, etc., all is given right here. And you can choose between human or machine. So you can see what the machine sees from that design system as well. So if you want to create a design for AI agents to analyze, now recently Claude updated its model. It's called Claude Opus 4.6. So this is their creative suite, great for creatives and even developers, etc. Now, what's really cool about this is that they've actually created a lot of case studies, and they actually have these tutorial-like resources where you can actually see how you can build an animated website using Claude Opus. Now, that is one example, but there are a lot of other examples: how to build your website, how to convert stuff to code, and much more on this page. If you really want to learn Claude right now, they're really investing heavily into design, so this might be very, very useful to you guys. The last time we saw Motiff, they were in a lawsuit with Figma for copying Figma's design tool. But now they've taken a complete 360 and made a very different tool. It's called Motiff AI, and it's calling itself the best UI generator. So a lot like Google Stitch, but you can import PDFs, add screenshots, or even add an image of, say, an ocean, and it will create an app based on that image that it sees. So it'll grab colors from it, it will grab the entire theme from it, and it'll try to build something around those images. It has a lot of inbuilt and exceptional design systems that you can choose from. So you can upload any design system, say Google Material Design, Apple HIG, Ant Design, style all your elements around that. So you can switch between them at any point of time as well, which I've not seen a lot of other design tools do right now. You can even generate different prototypes. So if you want a certain flow, you can click on a button and say, create the flow after this button is pressed. What is unique about this is the selection-based editing using AI. So you can select an entire section and ask it to change that section to something else. You can connect this as an MCP server to your favorite IDEs like Cursor, etc. That is also available. Now this month, Figma literally just blew me away. A lot of different design updates, major updates that might even make some plugins that you're using obsolete, including this image to vector converter. And it's actually very good. You just upload an image of, say, an icon or a brand logo or even an actual image face. It can convert it into an SVG or a vector where you can instantly add or remove colors. You can make it more complex, less complex. So this and a bunch of other updates are out there. If you want to watch all the updates, I will have a video link in the description where I've covered all the updates that you can find in this month of February. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button if you did, and I will constantly create more videos like this every Monday and Thursday. Remember, so do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, take care. God bless.